Have you ever wondered how your favorite websites seem to load instantly, no matter where you are? Well, there's some exciting tech behind that magic, and it's called Content Delivery Networks, or CDNs. Basically, CDNs are networks of servers spread out across the globe that deliver web content faster and more reliably. Instead of fetching data from a single server that may be miles away from you, a CDN caches copies of your favorite sites in multiple locations. So, when you click Load, the content zips from the nearest server, saving you those precious seconds. Why does this matter? Think about it. Faster loading times mean less frustration for users, which can boost visitor engagement, lower bounce rates, and ultimately lead to more successful websites. Plus, CDNs often enhance security, helping protect against attacks that can slow down or take down a site. So if you're running a website or just curious about tech, understanding CDNs can help you grasp the behind-the-scenes wizardry that keeps the internet humming smoothly. Key takeaway: always look for sites that use a CDN for better performance and security. And if you're developing websites, consider implementing one to enhance user experience. This is today's tech update for July 28, 2025.